Wouldn't it be great if there was a how-to guide for life? A place where you could go to find out, like, how to be successful. Maybe you went to college and got a degree and you're still struggling. Maybe you are already successful and you are looking for ways to increase that success. Whatever your situation is, if you have a passion for learning new skills to better yourself, save money, and even make money, then Howtopedia Life is for you. If you type in howtopedia.life and press enter, you're going to see a cornucopia of knowledge available for free. What you need is a better concentration of the internet's growing content. The content is infinite, so what you need is a way to filter that out and only get the best so that you can live the best life. So you can learn what you need to learn, you can implement that, make money or save money or even spend money. I mean, we have reviews on there, so even if you have to spend some money, you can be smart about it and review products, custom hand pick these videos just to improve your life and to entertain you. You know, I like the cooking videos. I think those are amazing. You know, I watch those carefully and I go into my kitchen and I try new recipes and try to cook like Chef Gordon or, you know, whoever I'm watching at the time. So our website is an amazing filter, delivering our users an entertaining and educational experience. Users can learn how to cook a gourmet meal and learn how to ride a motorcycle in any given session. I mean, the possibilities are endless here at Howtopedia Life. Please visit our gift shop. A large portion of our revenue from the gift shop is donated to cancer and autism research. So we would like to thank you in advance for your contribution to society.